Hello, I'm Mark Bannister, Technical Sales Manager here at Central Pattern Making. Due to the pandemic, we've found a number of potential customers unable to visit us, and they've asked us to put a video together specific to their industry so they can demonstrate our capabilities in supporting their company. This has been so successful, we thought we'd do a short video just to demonstrate to everyone our capabilities here. Firstly, we'll go through to the CAD room. In our CAD office, we have 6 CAD sheets available. From customers' CAD model and our design instruction sheet, fixtures are designed and forwarded for customer approval. Once approved, the CAD model is inspected by an independent operator prior to forwarding to the CAM room. Right, here we have the CAM room where we have 6 CAM seats in total. From the CAD information, we generate cutter paths using power mill for our CNC machining centres. From there, downloaded onto the machines. So on site we have 8 CNC machining centres, including 3 5-axis Mazak, 1 5-axis CMS Antares, and 4 Quasar 3-axis machines. Leading through onto the other manufacturing area, we have additional manual machines from lathes, milling machines, air blast, surface finishing, etc. And assembly areas for our pattern stores. This takes us through to our inspection department. Right, first I'd like to introduce you to Paul Harris, our quality supervisor. He'll take you through from receipt of the CAD data through to the inspection of the fixtures.
Yes, so once the initial CAD work is done by the boys in the CAD office to the spec that you require, it'll come through to me and it'll get CAD inspected on the screen basically. So we look at the locations, the assembly, basically general workings of the job, just to make sure that when it gets cut, everything will be as we expect it to be.
Yeah. So we go through to basically after it's being manufactured and during the process of manufacturing we inspect. Is that correct?
Yeah, so as and when the individual components are cut in the CNC department, they'll come through to us and we'll do an initial inspection just to make sure that when stuff gets put together it will go together as we expect. So we have 2 inspection arms, we have faro gauge and the faro edge, the edge being a little bit bigger. As you can see on here we have an assembled fixture and this is coming for its final inspection. So this will get checked to the CAD model, to the specs required, and reports generated electronically or hard copies, whichever suits.
So basically the furrow arms are obviously inspected. Are they inspected annually?
The furrow arms are calibrated externally annually to UCAS standards. Also As you can see on here, we have plug gauges, screw thread plug gauges, and pin type plug gauges. The plug gauges we calibrate ourselves because these get a lot of use and they can show wear at times, so we calibrate these regularly. The screw gauges are externally calibrated.
Yeah. Now, obviously the CMM, is this a temperature controlled environment?
It's not specifically temperature controlled, but it is an air conditioned environment to keep the temperature as level as possible.
Thanks, Paul, for your time.
Yep.
Yes. Obviously, any questions can be directed at Paul for the inspection.
Yeah, just
side.
feel free to send me any questions, no problem.
Okay, thank you very much. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, please contact us. Speak to you soon.